Hi, I'm Sophia, and welcome to this beautiful journey of 2024 Entryway Home Decor Interior Design Ideas. Enjoy the video. And that's the end of today's video. Your ultimate guide to transforming your entryway into a stunning masterpiece with the stunning 2024 Entryway Home Decor Interior Design Ideas. We hope you're feeling inspired and ready to elevate your home's first impression. As we sign off today, here's a thought to carry with you. Design your home with the colors of happiness, the textures of love, and the furniture of hope. Because every corner of your space tells a story, don't forget to hit that like button if you find these ideas inspiring. And if you haven't already, smash that subscribe button for more interior design inspiration and home decor tips that speak to your unique style. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep designing your dreams into reality. Share your thoughts, ideas, and even your own entryway transformations in the comments below. Stay inspired, stay creative, and we'll see you in the next video.